channel. So ngayon naman ay puntahan natin yung mga binook na natin na mga attractions. So, tara na! Ano pa hinihintay natin? Punta na tayo! Wow! Amazing! So nice kasi may mga mirrors up there. So, Banshee. Tara na, let's fly a Banshee. Punta daw kami dito. We want to fly a Banshee. Where's the line?
Yeah, it's about all the way to the back, turn to the left. All the way to the back, turn to the left. It's one whole day right there.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing like what they're doing. So, yun. So, we'll fly a Banshee. Scan code to download picture. Oh, kuya, ready mong scanner. So, let's try it this way.
So far, the very last one.
Thank you. I want a roadmap too.
Kasi mama natin video kayo na tayo camera.
So, kuya, the father is more excited than the son. Okay, fly together, go.
Isa naman! Si Papa na lang! Laglang may manapa!
Look here daw. Look to the camera kay isang surman. Wala na, nilayas mo ang Banshee. You wait for your Banshee. Come, come, baby, come. Tutok ka sa camera. Day. Tauga.
Liyog, liyog, liyog!
Exit and then go back. Ah, sige, balik. Atras, taas na puro kayo anak. There, oh, yan na. Wala na ni doon.
Ako daw!
Try daw sa niya, murag taas ra kay ka sa camera, good. Oh, dara. Awa. Taas ra kayo. Oh, ikaw. Ikaw. Wow. That's Ninya's Banshee. Oh. Wow. Fly, Ninya. I-control. I-dip daw, dip. Wow. Fly! Go up. And then dive. Nice. Wow. Yeah. Kuya, scanner. Look. Dali yan. Download. Oh, ikaw, fly your Banshee. Ako. Daddy's Banshee. Let's see how Daddy will fly the Banshee. I-remove mo ang eyeglass ka ha. Tagtagan eh. Kuha aday kay mahulog yung eyeglass. There. Dali. Wow, green. Nice. Sige. Unite as one. Oh, fly dad. Arms up.
Ano? Takas mo sila.
Mga putot, be, mga putot.
Takas mo mundo.
Dad, dali, dad. Ay, may nang eyeglass lagi. Hindi niya ma-detect. Lihok pa, lihok. Move. Sige, move. Move, dad. Ay,
Takas. Agad.
bend. Nice. Wow. Nice. Wala. Go up, dad. Wala na. Kuya. Dali. Dad.
Flap your wings. Yeah.
Kamera, tapos. Okay, so ngayon naman, hinahanap namin yung Avatarize yourself.
Dito sa atong gagawin, may kapikap pa ba? Ano ba? Dito na na.
Ambot. So, Orchid Haven. This way to Avatarize yourself. Ayun. So, let's do this. There's the queue. One for each data.
Only if you guys share like.
We can share?
Yeah.
Okay.
So just
One
by
can.
one by one.
One will work.
Yeah.
Thank you. The last one. Okay. Avatarize yourself. Okay. Stand here to launch. User detected. So let's find out what will happen. Wow. Wow. Now scanning. Kuya will become a Navi. Wow! You look good, Kuya.
Pagduhay ko na dito.
The face. Simulation complete.
Wag.
Okay. Genius turn. User detected.
Kuhaan mo na akong height? 180? 180 man?
Remove your cap. Look up at the camera. Wow, that's Atenea. Let's see how tall she is as a Navi. Oh, same like Kuya. So it's fake news. 173 daw si ninyo. Oh. Madaya. Hey! Okay, so it's Daddy's turn.
Gabay ito, bislot na.
Stand here to launch. Let's find out how Daddy looks like as a Navi. Okay, that's Daddy right there. So scan complete. Up, same height. Programmed you there. So ang face lang. Let's see how Daddy looks like as a Navi. Wow! Why was that the Navi?
Ini, bisa gini kamu. Buat apa? Ini makan?
Bye! See, beautiful Navi. Down. Here, the lost world. Ito lang. Nothing. Ikaw pa, Day. Oh. Ikaw, Dad. So this is what I was telling you guys.
Guys, for your own safety, please do not touch the lights. They are very, very fragile.
There. Ako maliit. Nice. Move, Ninya. Walk around. Supportive kuya. Mana? Tara. Let's go na si Ren. Swoop. Bye. Saying goodbye. Cloud Forest, thank you for the experience. Are we out? Papalito na siya. Oh, there na data. Let's go out na siya. So, isa seems to na shock.